Just to start, could you just give us a little bit of background about the show Below Deck? For those that might not know what it's about, just kind of like an elevator pitch.
So Below Deck chronicles the lives of crew who live and reside aboard a super yacht. So it could be from 150 to 188. And the cameras follow them around and they catch everything. Some things I don't even want to know about.
Yeah, right? So kind of like a built-in tattletale process.
Totally.
All right, so that's incredible to be on that type of show, to captain a boat of that size. Obviously that doesn't happen overnight. Could you give us a little bit of your background? Like, how did you even get into the boating industry, and where did you come from? What was that process like?
Yeah, so I'm from this coast, Bradenton, Florida.
All right,
originally.
shout out Bradenton.
Grew up on the water, and we always water skied. So from the time I was really little, we had those orange life vests on, and we were out there water skiing. To the point where, you know, some life takes you in different directions, and I was on the wrong path, and I had to I answered an ad in the paper, and I started cleaning boats, so detailing boats.
Really?
And then I took care of this one guy's boat. He comes out, he goes, wow, you're doing such a great job. I'd love to hire you full time. And he started my career path.
Wow. So from detailing boats, what's that next step? Did you get
So
into
the
boats?
next step was working for him full time. He taught me how to dock it. He sent me to sea school. He sent me to engineering school, and he invested in my career. And I believe in loyalty. And so he was so loyal to me and invested in me that I stayed loyal to him, and I worked for that family for 9 years.